we are in the coffee bar. Okay, changing the lights. Okay, and in few previous classes we are here, like closing of the gate, opening of the gate, and opening of the sliding door. Okay, remember this?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Now for next animation, which is time wrap, we need extra characters to explain you what it is. Okay, so what I can do, I go to my build mode, and here I will go to character first and then place. See what happen if you go on place first, and if you are imported mode, so if there are heavy files, no, your scene get stuck, your scene will get hanged. I have seen this because I used to import some heavy architecture projects, so that my library remembers, and that once if I of my import here, and if I click on place, my scene got hanged. So what I can do, don't go on place, first select the category, it will be much easier. Select the category like people and then go on place, so your scene will not be hanged. Okay, just a small tip.
Okay.
Okay, now see here I need a female character which is a very nice animated one. This animation will work only on animated character, like this one is still, this is not animated, no. So I'll just place over here, so
Yes, sir.
my effect will not be applied on this character. I need an animated character, so I will take an animated character which is little bit movement should be there. For example, this lady, she is standing and looking here and there, no, little bit rotation I will just make. Okay, so I have three
Okay.
characters. One male is just walking on a path, lady is standing, and she is continuously moving, looking here and there. Okay, she is animated. And one I have still, she is not animated, just a 3D character. Okay, just a 3D character but no movement, and another character with some movements, and I have my main character who is going to walk. Okay, so let's come on our movie. So this is my scene. I will just play my scene. I will not use time wrap, I will just play my scene, so it look like normal. Character is moving, gate opens, sliding door opens. Okay, not much difference, no, we did last class also, in last few classes.
Yes.
Now see, 1 second, what happened when my characters move over here. I want when it come in front of my this female character, I want this female to look at my male character, that somebody is coming in front of her. But this is not possible because all the animated is auto animated, no, all the character move on
Yes,
their
sir.
own time. There's nothing you can uh, change their movements, there's nothing change their movement. But with the help of time wrap you can change their movement as per requirement. So for example, it's like almost 2 seconds. When it comes to 2 seconds, I want my character to look at the my main character. Here time wrap will help. Time wrap go inside, and here you can change the movement of your character. You see, if you
All
change,
right.
she is looking left at this particular point of time, 2 seconds. At this particular point of time she is looking left. If you want her to look right, just change from here. You see here I'm changing the top one. See,
All
she
right.
is now
Okay.
looking like right. If I move my timeline, you see, when it come to around 2 seconds she is looking right. So I have changed her animation phase. So that is time wrap. This will help you to change the animated
Okay.
phase of your character. Okay, for example, suppose here I will insert another slot. I will get my camera near. I want her to look at my camera at this point of time. Okay, When character move, I want her to look this way, not on the right way. So that is your idea, that is your planning. So just see, at this point of time it's around 1 minute and 72 nanoseconds. Change the time wrap value from here. See, I'm changing her movement until I am not satisfied with her movement. I want like this. Now she is looking straight. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see, I will play the animation. You see, the character is coming in front. She is looking straight to the character or straight to the camera, and then she is doing normal movement. Okay, see, she's looking straight. So this way you can control the movement of your animated character, not the still one. See, there is no effect on the still character. Only the animated character is their movement. Now I was just focusing on my lady, but you can see my the person who is walking. The person is also getting some movement. You see, I can change the look, the person's movement also. Clear?
Okay.
So this is very simple but very effective. Okay. Any question on this?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Yes. One thing more before you practice. One thing more. Uh, on my time wrap, there are two options or two category you will see. First one is offset for animated people and animal. Means whatever you have your Lumion characters animated one, you can control their animation timing, movement
Okay.
timing. Second one is offset for animated imported models. Many times what happen, you are going to import some cars, some moving character, or some fans or anything else which has some animation. So animation is pre-recorded. So here on Lumion you cannot set and start and stop timing thing for your animation. That will play in a loop. Okay, but
Okay.
here with the help of time wrap you can control the loop of animation, how the animation should be at what point of time. Okay, but here I don't have anything imported from any other source, so we can skip this for now. So just you can practice the first one. Okay,
Okay.
place one or two characters, and with the help of time wrap just try to control their movement. Okay, example where I have some steps. I just want some steps. Let me see if I can get over here. There is some steps. I think somewhere I have seen steps. Here I have seen. Okay, this is also work. Okay, this is also work. First I will change the weather to a little darker and set of green animation. Let's go to other side. Last. Yes, over here. The focal length is very big. That's why it is looking like that. Okay. first position, last position. Let's make it 10 seconds. We'll get enough time to see. Okay, so this is my animation, simple animation.
Okay.
Here we are going to use the animation effects layer, this thing, I forgot the name, layer visibility we are going to use. So let's just take this layer visibility. Now here it will show you the number of layer which is currently in my scene. Total 7 layer are there. So let's come in mode over here and build mode. Here you see I have total 7 layers. Alright, so 7th layer, let's see what is there in 7th layer. So I'll just off. So it's nothing over here, so it's okay. I can replace this. One second, let's create it light. One second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need more than one layer. Let's make it L1, that is light 1. Light 2. Light 3. Light 4. Light 5. Okay.
Okay.
Every layer there will be one light. Layer 1. Layer 1 is like this. I will create a light over here. Go to light, place light. Not like this. This is good. Let's make it little interesting. I'll give it a warm tonality with less of brightness and follow, so that it will not spread to larger area. Only this step should be enlightened. Okay. Okay, somewhat like this. So I want when my character will step over here, this light should illuminated. Okay, and when my character will not step, keep her leg on the step, the light should not on. So that is my concept. Okay, is that clear with you also?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is my main concept, that this light should be off when there is no character, and on one by one when my character moves. So I just create all lights kit on all the steps, and then I will use the layer effect one. So let's quickly just create lights. Shift, sorry, Alt. Three, 4. One more I need. 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. I'm doing with only 5. You can do with more of the lights. Okay. Alright. So I want all the lights to be individual layers, so that I can on off the layers. Now this one, I go over here, layer 1, it's good. Select another line on right hand side. From here drop down, change it to layer 2. Again select the third one. It should be layer 3, 4, layer 4, 5, layer 5. Clear this one?
Yes.
Now see, I will turn it off. off, 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 off. Alright, it will work like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it will illuminate like that. Okay, now it's time for actual action. Yes, see, this is how animation goes. So I want at this point of time all the lights should be off. I create a keyframe and off all the lights. But here it is not L1 L2. Be careful, huh? It's 1 2 3 4. Alright, it's 6
Okay.
7 8 9 10, the serial numbers, not the name which I have given, it's serial number wise. Right, so this point of time it should be off, and as my camera move, wait, over here, this from here camera started moving, I will keep another keyframe and on one light, and as my camera move to another step over here, keyframe, another light,
2.
again move, keyframe. Okay, first click keyframe and then click on the layer, again keyframe, keyframe on, again keyframe over this one, oh sorry, keyframe on. See, it look really nice. Now let's play and see. 1 2 3 4 5. Right,
Okay.
so this is for example only with few steps. You will try to complete this with as many steps as you can. Okay, it will look really nice when you do architecture walkthrough. When you take your camera inside, the light will work like this. Okay, I think till here we can render it out. I think it's 7 seconds. Let's make it 7 seconds only. Okay, done. Okay, any question on this?
Okay.
Akshita?
That's fine.
Fine, no? Just try this